Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Slack forms to Typeform leads step by step clearly. First, log into your Slack account. Open the workspace where you want to create the form. Click on the app's icon in the sidebar. Search for Slack Forms and select it from the search results. Once the app is open, click on the Create New Form button. Choose a name for your form that is descriptive and easy to remember. Add the necessary fields to your form, such as name, email, and any other relevant information. Ensure each field is properly labeled and set to required if needed. After you finish designing your form, save the changes. Next, log into your Typeform account in a new tab or window. Click on Create Typeform to start a new form. Select a template or build your form from scratch. Add the same fields you used in your Slack form to maintain consistency. Customize the design and settings of your Typeform as desired. Once your Typeform is ready, locate the Share section in the Typeform dashboard. Copy the share link for your Typeform. Now, return to your Slack workspace. Open the Slack Forms app again. Go to the settings for the form you created earlier. Look for an option to add a webhook or integrate with third-party apps. Paste the Typeform share link in the designated integration area. Test the connection by submitting a response through your Slack form. Check your Typeform responses to ensure they are being recorded. If everything is working correctly, your Slack form is now successfully connected to Typeform leads. Monitor both platforms for any updates or changes as needed. Adjust your forms as necessary to improve user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.